Wellness Chasers. It's Shannon. I haven't popped on here in a while, but it is Friday afternoon and I didn't want to end the day before I did a quick video for you on things that you can do immediately, pending you have the right tools in your home, to jump on it when you're getting sick or you know somebody in your home that is getting sick. What are some things that you could do immediately to nip this thing in the bud, right? Okay, so a couple things that we do is first, elderberry syrup every day, especially when somebody's not feeling well. You can up the dosage. So we do a teaspoon every day, but like if I'm not feeling well, I'm going to take up to 3 tablespoons a day of this, and it has honey in it, so if you have a child under 1, you want to be careful. But elderberry syrup, up it if you're not feeling well. Another thing that you can do just lifestyle wise is no dairy, no sugar. They feed inflammation, especially sugar kills the immune system, so that needs to go while your body's trying to fight off any sort of sickness, any sort of germs. And that goes for kids, everybody. I know it's not fun, but and then some other things that you can do are detox baths. So we do have a video in here on how to do a detox bath, but if you don't have a bathtub, get a bowl of water. And you're gonna take about a cup of Epsom salts and then about a half a cup of baking soda, put them in a bowl, and then you can put some immune supporting oils in there to mix up and then add to the hot water. So oils I suggest for detoxing illness would be Thieves. Thieves is super, super good for the immune system. Frankincense, lemon. We have a blend called Citrus Fresh, and clove is really, really good too. So you add those to the salts, put them in the water, and then soak. And what that does is it draws out toxins. And I will do that up to 3 times a day if I'm not feeling well, okay? You can do that preventative once a week to pull out toxins. It also could make you a little bit tired. So that's good, right? Because you guys need to sleep when you're not feeling good, and drink lots of water. So detox baths are really good. Another thing that you can do, that you should do, is run the diffuser. So it's like putting plants in your home that kind of pull out, toxins in the air. When you have a diffuser going, it's kind of the oils that are shooting in there kind of eating up the germs, and everything is airborne, right? So it's just another way to create sort of a supportive cloud in your home that's not going to add to, it's going to take away all those germs that they're in your body, but in the air too, to give your body the support it needs to fight off what's already in your body, right? We don't want to add to that. So diffusers, I have one in every room. I highly suggest it, okay? Great oils to diffuse would be the same thing that you would put in an Epsom salt bath. Thieves, lemon, frankincense, citrus fresh. Those are really, all citrus oils are really, really good for immune support. Clove, cinnamon bark, all the spice oils like nutmeg, ginger. I wouldn't really diffuse oregano because it smells like a pizza, but oregano is a powerhouse immune supporter, so is thyme. Okay, and then let's talk about topical application of oils. I have this starter kit which has all of it's kind of like your wellness toolkit. And so I just tell people to pull that out or grab the oils that you have. And here's what I do. Thieves on the feet. All the time, thieves on the feet. Feet, you can access all the different organs in your body through the feet. Also, the pads are thick on your feet, so if there's any sort of sensitivity, it's a great spot, especially for kids and babies. Okay, so Thieves on the feet. Frankincense down the spine. You hold a lot of sickness in your spine. Did you know that? So virus and bacteria can get lodged in your spine, and so if you're putting oils on the spine, you can help release those and get your body to flush. Okay, so accessing the spine is a really, really good way to support the immune system. So Frank is really, really, really good for the immune system. So is lemon. Like I mentioned, the citrus oils. And then, let's think about the gut. Up to 90% of your immune system is in the gut. So Digest, adding that to your tummy, it's got like anise and fennel. Whew. It's potent. But you can add that to the belly to support the gut, support the immune system. Okay? Drink lots of water, rest, but those are some really, really quick tips, things that you can do to jump on any sort of illness immediately. All right? Hope you guys have a good weekend. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.